Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. It's a bright morning here in my neck of the woods. How is it over there as yours? I trust it is bright as well. Alright, so today we want to show you how we made this beautiful dress that we call the blush. Now this dress is special in so many ways. First of all, we used a blend of two different yarn types, cotton and acrylic, to make it. Second of all, we used two different lace patterns to make it. Now this lower part starting from here and going extending all the way down, was made from a different lace pattern. Let me show you this way. So from here all the way here was made with a different lace pattern, while the top part was made with a different lace pattern. I'm going to put my hand in there so that you can see the pattern. That's what the pattern looks like. The pattern all the way up, you have these little pineapple things here, and then you have the checker there, the checker like looking things there. Okay, so that's it. And then we infused beads. That's beads right there as the sleeves. All right. Okay, so we made it's a mini gown. It's really short for those who like their dresses short, or you can craft this in any length of your choosing. So essentially all you really need is the widest measurement of the widest part of the person's body, because this could be made into a kaftan, right? It could also be made into a bubu. There's a garment style we call the bubu in my neck of the woods, or the kaftan, right? You can make it ankle length, you can make it knee length, you can make it calf length, you can make it thigh length. That's your choice. All right, so what you need to do is pick your choices of lace designs that you want to work with. Choose the yarn type that you prefer, now depending on how thick or light you want your garment to be. All right, if you want your garment to really be lightweight, you need to use real thin yarn types to use, but if you want it to be a little thick, it means you're going to use something a little bit heavier. All right, so that's about it. We also, for this top part, from a certain point, this is from under the armpit, we used a different color type. This is also a blend of cotton and acrylic. All right, so like I said, widest part of the body width is what you're going to use. Now ensure that the pattern types that you're going to be using, your lace patterns, have a relationship of sorts. So you find something that maybe probably look like each other, but if you want it to be totally different, that's also up to you. All right, so this was worked. I'm going to show you where it started from. This is the back. The back tells the entire story. All right, so for this lower for the lower bit of the garment, right, we started somewhere here. You can see this joint part, right? We started somewhere here, walked up and all around for the desired measurement, right? When we're done with that, we turned that particular strip around and then walked diagonally also using the pattern that we chose. Now note here, this particular pattern is in combinations of 8 rows. This pattern right here is in combination of 8 rows. So I'm going to hold on to this point here like this and show you. So you have this row 1, row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it starts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it starts again. But at this point, because we wanted to infuse this new color, we had to walk one particular row twice. So you can actually all of these are things you can learn along the way. You can infuse, you can take out any part of the pattern that you think is not working out for the dress and how you want your dress to look like. You can take that out, but this will require some really technical techniques, so to speak, some technical skills to know what to take out and when to take it out. So when we're done with that, of course, we closed this part just before the armhole. We closed it up, joined it before we continued the back. This is the back panel. The back panel has this button here, this very shiny button. Yeah, right there. It has this button. Yeah, we made room for a button, and then the front panel is just all the way straight. We made it. We didn't want a neckline, just this straight line up here. After we did that, we edged. We edged with the slip stitch. This is not a single crochet stitch. We just edged with slip stitch because we wanted this white to just be on it. That's how this was edged. We did the same for the armholes after creating them, or after making room for them, and then we added these beads. We chose this very nice pink beads to match this part of the dress. So it's a really simple garment to work. The beauty of it is in the lace. So you being able to choose the right lace for this design is gonna do you loads of good. Now you can also decide that you want to use only one type of lace design. That also works. It will still come out beautifully. All right, let me know what you decide in the comment section. Now if you want a more detailed crochet along, would I call it tutorial, yeah, for this dress, you also let us know in the comment section. But I think this is enough to help you walk through the making of this dress. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, I forgot to ask you all to subscribe. Are you new to our channel? You should totally subscribe. We bring you brand new videos of brand new bespoke crochet apparel that we make right here. We give you the basic steps to use in making them. If you're a beginner, for some, if you're an intermediate level, if you're on the advanced level, all of what we tell you is easy to walk. It's very easy to walk through. You just listen, read the caption, or read the detail below, and to see how to work them, the stitches used, the techniques used, the different parts of the garment, like that. We do that for you every week. So do subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you can be alerted when these videos come up. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.